In this video, we will review how to add a logo in RightCapital. Before we get started, you'll want to make sure you have your logo file handy. Once you've got your logo, you can log into your RightCapital Advisor portal, and from here, you'll want to navigate to the gear icon Account Customization tab. Once here, you'll find two different boxes. One is for a positive logo, and one is for a negative logo. The positive logo is what will be used anywhere there is a white background, such as the cover page of your reports, and if you have a white or very light primary color selected, it will be used in the software as well. If you have a darker primary color selected, you can upload a negative logo here, and that one will be used in software instead. To upload a logo, hover your mouse over one of the two logo previews and click the Update button here, which is going to open up this window. You can either drag and drop a file directly into this window, or you can click this Pick Files from your Computer button to select the file from your computer. And once you've done that, the logo will be automatically applied to your RightCapital account. If you have any other questions on uploading logos and RightCapital, please check out the custom branding article in the Help Center or reach out to the support team.